How to fix App Store missing problem on iPhone? Let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, go to App Library. Then click on Search option and search for App Store. Now here you can see App Store. Long press on App Store and then a list will appear. Now click on Add to Home Screen from the list. After this step, I hope the App Store will appear on your phone. If this method not working for you, then go to Settings option. Then go to General option. Now scroll down and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then click on Reset option. Here you can see many options. Click on Reset Home Screen Layout. Now reset your home screen layout. After reset your home screen layout, now go back to home screen and see App Store is showing now. If still App Store not showing, then go to Settings again. Then scroll down and go to Screen Time option. Now go to Content and Privacy Restriction option. Then go to iTunes and App Store Purchase option. Now click on Installing Apps option and allow Installing Apps option. Now go back to home screen and see App Store is showing now.